guys, it's Megan. I'm just really in the mood to vlog today, and I loved my outfit so much that I wanted to show you guys before I head out. I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack because I am really looking for new jeans. The jeans that I'm wearing now I love, but I only have one pair of like denim jeans that I really like, and half the time they're in the wash. So I need at least one more pair of jeans that I really like to wear that fit me really nicely to just get me through my life, because pretty much all I wear are skinny jeans. So I did makeup that I really like today. I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation and Tarte Exposed blush. The lip is this one that I really like from Urban Decay. This is Sheer Rapture, which they don't make these anymore, but they might have that color in their new lipstick line. The shirt is, oh, I thought it was black and white, but it's actually navy and white. And this is one that my Aunt Sue gave me as a hand-me-down from Ann Taylor, I'm pretty sure. And it's actually a like tank top or like a cap sleeve, but it's, oh my god, it's going to be gorgeous outside. I just looked at the weather. I haven't been outside all day and it's like 3 p.m. and it's almost 70 degrees today. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? I do. Okay. Better to find out now. But I wanted to wear a little cardigan because my arms felt so cold. Like, I'm not used to wearing anything without sleeves. So I have on this, I love this like olive green little cardigan thing. And this, I'm pretty sure I got thrift shopping like years ago. But it might be like Ann Taylor or something like that. I'm wearing my favorite bracelet. This is one that I got in a Pop Sugar box like last year or 2 years ago. And it is Elizabeth something. It's so stunning. And I thought that it went nicely with like the olive green. I'm wearing my Orion's Belt choker from HRH collection and this little, could you even see that? And this little like pendant type of thing from GORJANA. I really like it. It's like the nicest bit of sparkle. And I thought that these went with the cut of the shirt. Then I'm just wearing my American Eagle skinny jeans. You can see them. And my favorite Lucky Brand high heel little boots. I love these so much. They're super comfortable even if you're going to be on your feet all day. Like, they're obviously not as comfortable as like Uggs or sneakers or something, but they're not as bad as you might think heels would be. So I just feel really good in this outfit. My hair's been bothering the hell out of me, so I've just been pulling it up like every day. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack looking for jeans. I'm specifically looking if they have AG brand jeans, and I have gift cards from Christmas that I cannot forget to take. Let me put them in my pocket right now because I probably will forget them. So I love the Nordstrom gift cards. It's like holographic. It's really cool. So, cannot forget those. I forgot them last time. I filmed and edited a video this morning. Just finished saving, so that's perfect timing. And what else? I have dinner tonight with Alyssa and Zuri, which I haven't seen Zuri in so long, so that's going to be really fun to catch up with them. And Alyssa, like you guys probably know, if I've mentioned it before, she moved, so I don't get to see her nearly as much as we used to. We used to see each other like every week or something, and now it's more like once a month or so. So that's going to be really nice to see them, and I just can't wait to get outside and enjoy the beautiful weather. Yesterday was my Gigi's birthday, and that's my mom's mom, and when my mom saw them for lunch, my Gigi gave us a bunch of magazines, including Martha Stewart Living. This is one of my favorite magazines ever. I love Martha Stewart Living and Real Simple. Those are like the two magazines that I really like. So there's like recipes and like home stuff. I just really love these. And I saw that Joanna from Fixer Upper, which if you guys watch Fixer Upper, we're like best friends automatically because I love that show. She has a new magazine, but it was like $8 at Whole Foods. So I don't like having to buy magazines, so I like getting them as like pass-ons from other people. I don't know. I just think that magazines are so expensive for some reason. It is even more beautiful outside than I could have imagined. 66, what perfection. And there's like piles of snow still, but feels like it's like the most perfect like spring or fall day. I love it. Did some damage. I thought I was just filming this whole time and then my camera shut off, so I feel like an idiot right now, but I'm back from Nordstrom Rack. I also went to Marshall's, but thankfully didn't find anything because I spent quite enough at Nordstrom Rack for one day. But I'm already wearing some of the pieces that I bought, which shows exactly how much I love these things, which I have forced myself to become of the philosophy only buy something when you absolutely love it. If you like it, you cannot buy it. Like, you have to love it and know that you are going to wear it a lot or use it a lot or whatever the case may be. So I bought these earrings and I really love them. I've seen other earrings like this before, but I liked how they were like flat. And I don't know, I'm really playing myself today because my battery died, and so I've been just taking my nail polish off and watching YouTube videos for like 30 minutes while it charged. So now that we can finally continue and hopefully get through this haul without any more problems, I just really like these earrings and I was happy to get them. They were $13. They're by Melrose and Market. I don't know if I said that. And then I got these earrings, which I really like as well, by the brand Covet. And I wear very simple clothing most of the time, and so I love to have a little bit of color or something different in my earrings. And these were so unique to me. I love the simplistic design, but all the different colors. I just absolutely love them, and they were also only $13. Then the shirt that I'm wearing is by Harlow and Graham, and I just fell in love with it. It's so soft, you guys. It's like a thin sweatshirt. I thought it fit really nicely. I like the black strings with the gray, like marled coloring, and I just love like glam and like jewelry and like makeup and stuff with something really casual as your outfit. So I loved it. It was $25, and I know that I'm gonna get lots and lots of wear out of this. And then the piece de resistance of my haul is a pair of shoes, a pair of boots. And I've been looking for a new pair of leather boots for years because as much as I love my Lucky Brand boots, I would like to have like a second pair to interchange with them. And I know that they're getting old even though I got the heels replaced. So I was really thrilled to find these in my size on sale, 50% off of their retail price, and I'm just in love with them. So the box is deceiving. It says that they're UGG boots, but they're not, but I do like UGG as well. So let's dig in. They are a pair, my first pair of Fry boots, and the color is beautiful. The color is pretty much the color of my hair. I love this color, this deep red, brown with a hint of purple. It's gorgeous. The detailing is just absolutely beautiful on these. It does have a zip all the way up, which I typically don't like, but I didn't mind with these shoes because they are the like profile that I really love. They're the heel that I love. So here is the pricing. I get 7.5 for boots. Originally they were almost $400, which is crazy. And then I got them for $190. So definitely not cheap, but for a super, super, super nice pair of leather boots, I just couldn't resist. And I've been wanting a pair of Frye boots for a long time, but never could find a style that I absolutely loved. I'm hoping that like I can look up what these are, because since this isn't the box that goes with these shoes, I don't even know what the style is. But I'm going to try these on and show you guys. So as you could see, oh my god, that color is amazing. I am obsessed. They fit the calf, my calf, really, really nicely. They are like, what would this word would be, snug on my calf, but that is how I want this type of riding boot to fit. I don't want it to be like loose or like bulging or gaping or anything. So I just love them. I love them. I love them. I just love them so much, and I'm probably going to wear them tonight to dinner with Alyssa and Zuri because I'm just so obsessed with them. But yeah, I just absolutely love them. You guys, I found the boots. Thank God for the internet. So I'm on the Frye website, and these are called the Molly Button Tall, and the color is Bordeaux. So they're on sale on their website for $2.99 plus an additional 25% off. And so as you can see, these are the boots that I just bought. Oh my god, there's Amber looking dead over there. So, yeah, if you have been interested in these, they are on sale, and there's a bunch of other shoes on sale. Then, the one thing I did want to find at Nordstrom Rack were AG jeans, but they didn't have any. So, they are on sale. The ones that I want are on sale on the Nordstrom website. And they still have my size, which is the thing that I learned from today's shopping trip. I learned what my size is in these fancy double number sizes. So I think I'm going to order these because I need jeans really, really bad. And these have reviews that are positive for the facts that I want in jeans. Like, they don't become loose throughout the day. Like, they're nice and high rise, they're skinny, they're tight, everything that I want, these have them. So they're on sale right now. The sizing is limited, but I am going to try these out and see how they go, because these are the exact jeans that I want to try. If they don't work, I know I can return them because it's Nordstrom and they're great with returns. So I'm going to bite the bullet and try these out. Alright, I'm heading out to On the Border with Alyssa and Zuri, and I put on my Topshop leather jacket, got my purse, and my new shoes, and I am ready for margaritas and Mexican food. My goodness gracious, we're gonna die of a food coma and hangover. I'm trying to find a way to make myself look attractive right now, but there just is no hope. I am laying here feeling so exhausted. I feel like so full and so blah. Like, I didn't even eat like a crazy amount or anything, but I have my water. I feel like super thirsty and just so tired. Not looking forward to waking up extremely early tomorrow to go into the city, but it's gonna be a really, really fun day with Alyssa and our moms. So I will try to go to bed early. It's like 9:45, and I think I might watch an episode of Grace and Frankie or something, but I might just fall straight to sleep. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.